It's here. Yeah, this month's order has arrived. It was supposed to get here about 2 weeks ago, but, you know, given current events, mail's been a bit slow. I'm glad I managed to get it in before the end of the month, at least. Don't know if I'll have one for June, but July is going to be crazy. Anyway, let's get that open, and I'll move the camera. There we go, that's better. Let me get a good shot for the thumbnail. Yeah, there we go. This out of the way. Take these off. Ooh, stuff in the box. Anyway. I should get this edited and uploaded on the same day, so if you're seeing this and it's Wednesday, then yes, I did put it up on the right day. Let's put that bit of cardboard there. Let's get this box out of the way. Pull everything out of the box, and then we can go over what I got. I'm literally facing the opposite way right now, so if you can't really hear me that well, sorry. Come on. Empty box. Alright. Now, starting off with something small, Pyroball. I got the green Haro. You can watch the review of that, and I absolutely love these things, and I really wanted to get this one because it's a Haro and a ball, and that's perfect. I love it. Yeah, let's open it up. Have a look. Pretty sure this is supposed to be sealed. Huh. That's the arms. Let me see if I can actually... Come on, light. There we go, now you guys can see it. There's the arms. Really, really hollowed out on the inside, but, you know, it's a cheap kit, what do you expect? The cannon. It's supposed to have... No, it's just supposed to be hollow, okay. And the old style Haro, which is a little bit disappointing, honestly. I kind of wish they'd would have switched over this to the newer style that opens up, but still, it seems fine. I am kind of annoyed that they using polycaps. They did switch over to just having ball joints on both sides on the newer ones. Still, I will build this off camera and have a review up maybe next week. I was going to have a build stream this Sunday, but I mean, this came here, so maybe I'll put that off. Besides, I couldn't stream last time anyway, so I'm not sure it's going to make much of a difference. Yeah, really, really basic construction. Let's get all that put away. And then we'll move on to the next thing. Alright, next up, Charizagok. Yes, I have the mass production type. I reviewed it. I really, really wanted another one. I've particularly loved this kit. And I do like red, so... Ooh. Those are actually some really nice colors. Also, it's nice that this is a pure white, because on the mass production type, it's sort of a cyan-ish color. This is still patchy. I'm going to have to paint it. It's the exact same kit, aside from the colors. suppose I should review it, even if it is the same. That's a very nice sort of crimson color. It's not the same as the box, but I actually kind of prefer this more. It's kind of a wine red. Very nice color. The instructions here, exact same pictures. I'll get all this put away and then we'll get on to the next one. Alright, and next up, the Garibaldi beta from Zeta Gundam, which, well, it's the I don't think they called this a re-rise. Re-rise? Come on, brain, work today. Revive. I don't think they called it that, but it basically is a much more complex kit than that Zagok. Nothing looks broken off the pegs at least, which is good. Yeah, there's a lot of parts to this. I'm keeping this in frame, right? I can't really look at the screen because I'm actually in front of it right now. Yellow beam sabers, that's nice. You don't get those in very many kits, so it's really nice to have them. I think these are the arm pieces. There's definitely some joints and stuff here. Here's the shield, the only green on it. Kind of an odd thing. I'm definitely going to paint that instead of using the sticker. I think that's the only sticker on the kit, isn't it? Oh, yeah, and the mono eye, and I think this is the scope for the gun? Yeah. I don't mind using metallic stickers, but if I can just paint that in yellow, it'll be fine. It's kind of odd that the shield is green, but I actually kind of like it as an aesthetic choice. Yeah, those are the legs. You'll notice with the look of the Garibaldi it's very, very similar to the Gelgoog. I kind of prefer the look of this, honestly. Maybe if the head crest was a bit more like the Gelgoog, it would be perfect, but I don't know. Overall, I like the shaping more of the Garibaldi. That's kind of a hot take. I know most people really would not be okay with that. But I don't care. It's my opinion. Anyway, I'll get this put away and then we'll move on to the next. And this is a bit of a smaller order. Final kit. And finally, my family of amphibious Zeon one-year war mobile suits ever grows with the inclusion of the Act Guy, which I don't think needs an introduction. People love this mobile suit, and I am one of them. This is a great mobile suit. Do like the Zagok more, but I mean, look at this thing. It's cuddly. There. And wow, this thing is big. Oh, that's a... yeah, you know the part's big when they put walls on the sides. Yeah, there's the head. I'm gonna be honest, for some reason I didn't expect the head to be that big. It's 1/44 scale, of course it's gonna be massive. There's the claws for the hand. There's the retracted claws. I do kind of feel like they could have worked that in, but I can't really complain, I guess. But those are the two torpedo. They're water, so torpedo. Torpedo. Hands. Those are the head guns, right? They're a separate piece. Moving on. The only sticker on this kit, the mono eye, which is really nice. Also, just like the Zagok, feet are so large they actually separate the bottom piece, so no gaps, which is great. And oh wow, that is I got slightly thrown off by just how big the torso is, but mostly it's just, wow, that is not the color I was expecting. So here's the color of the promotional images, and here's the color of the plastic. This is like almost a hazel brown. This is reddish brown. Not complaining. I actually kind of like this color more, but I did not expect it. Also, yeah, these parts are massive. Wow. And those are the legs. There's actually some detail that I'm not sure you actually see, which is nice. Just a lot of jointage here. I think those are the shoulders. Maybe. I don't know. But I'll find out when I build it. Anyway, let me get this all put away, and then we'll get into a final shot of all of them and wrap things up. And there we have everything in frame. Hopefully. It looks good on the viewfinder, at least. And yeah, I'm super excited to get around to building and reviewing these. Let me know which one you're most excited for down in the comments, and if you have any recommendations for other kits, I'll listen. I can't guarantee I'll buy them, but I'll listen. Anyway, thank you all for tuning in and seeing what kits are on the horizon for my reviews. Like I said, let me know what you think down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps with the algorithm. Watch my reviews. Like I said, I already have a review of the Zeon Cup, but it's the mass production type. But subscribe for future reviews of these kits, namely. And while you're waiting for those, you can watch my backlog. That's all for this video. So as always, until next time, happy building.